Computer science is one of the most powerful and flexible career fields today. As technology becomes a core part of every industry, from startups to global companies, the demand for skilled computer science professionals keeps on growing. At Bosscoder School of Technology, students are not just trained for one job role, they are prepared for multiple career paths based on their interest and strengths. At Bosscoder School of Technology, we offer three specializations. First is software engineering, second is data science, and third is cyber security. Let's talk about these one by one. One of the most common and impactful career paths in computer science is software engineering. As a software engineer, you work on designing systems, writing and testing codes, building scalable applications. This role offers strong long-term career growth, high real-world impact, competitive compensation. Software engineers build products and platforms that are used by millions of people every single day. Another fast growing career option for computer science students is data science. Data scientists work with large data sets, statistics and mathematics, and machine learning models. The goal is simple: to extract insights from data that helps businesses to make better decisions. This path is ideal for students who enjoy problem solving with data analytical thinking, applied machine learning. Third is cyber security. As technology adoption increases, security becomes critical. Cyber security is another career path for CS and AI. Professionals focuses on protecting systems and networks, securing sensitive data, preventing cyber attacks and vulnerabilities. Today, almost every organization needs cybersecurity experts, and the demand in the field is growing rapidly across industries. Computer science also opens doors to many other exciting roles such as web development, mobile development, game development, artificial intelligence, and machine learning roles. And the best part is, many new roles are still emerging. That's the power of computer science. It gives you the flexibility to explore, adapt, and pivot over time. Now, global tech companies build products at massive scale. They use artificial intelligence, machine learning, large scale systems to serve millions and even billions of users worldwide. Computer science skills directly shape the products that people across the world depends on every day. Remember, careers in computer science are future proof, globally relevant, continuously evolving. The skills you learn today don't become outdated quickly. They stay adaptable across industries, domains, and technologies. Choosing computer science means choosing a field with limitless possibilities. Whether you want to become a software engineer, a data scientist, a cybersecurity expert, work in AI and emerging technologies, there is a place for you. Explore, experiment, and discover what excites you the most. This is just the beginning of what you can build with computer science at Bosscoder School of Technology.